Chant this and watch your debts disappear. Runa Vimochana Narsimha Stotram. Are financial troubles weighing you down? Do you feel trapped in debts with no way out? What if I told you that an ancient, divine mantra holds the power to remove financial burdens and attract prosperity? The Runa Vimochana Narsimha Stotram is not just a chant, it's a divine key that unlocks abundance, success, and relief from financial struggles. Lord Narsimha, the fiercest and most protective form of Vishnu, destroys negativity, clears karma, and blesses devotees with wealth and freedom from debts. Chanting this stotram with faith and devotion can create miracles in your life. Thousands have experienced unexpected financial relief, job opportunities, and prosperity after sincerely reciting it. Are you ready to break free from financial struggles? Chant with me today and witness the power of Lord Narsimha. Share this with someone who needs divine blessings. Jai Narsimha.
देवता कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थं सभास्तम्भसमुद्भवं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये लक्ष्म्यालिङ्गितवामाङ्गं भक्तानां वरदायकं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये आन्त्रमालाधरं शङ्खचक्राब्जायुधधारिणं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये स्मरणात् सर्वपापघ्नं कद्रूजविषनाशनं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये सिंहनादेन महता दिग्दन्ति भयनाशनं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये प्रह्लादवरदं श्रीशं दैत्येश्वरविदारणं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये क्रूरग्रहैः पीडितानां भक्तानामभयप्रदं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये वेदवेदान्तयज्ञेशं ब्रह्मरुद्रादिवन्दितं श्रीनरसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये य इदं पठते नित्यं ऋणमोचनसन्नितं अनृणो जायते सद्यो धनं शीघ्रमवाप्नुयात्।